Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of music production and songwriting with Notion, your all-in-one workspace. First things first, you'll want to create a new page dedicated solely to your music project. This is where you'll be organizing all your musical ideas, lyrics, and beats. Keeping everything in one place is a great way to ensure that you don't lose track of those late-night inspirations. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up your songwriting template. You can create different sections for lyrics, chords, and song structure. The reason we do this is to keep your musical elements organized and easily accessible, which will make the songwriting process smoother and more efficient. Next up, it's time to utilize Notion's built-in database feature. This will be a game changer for your music production process. You can use it to catalog and track your song ideas, beats, and even potential collaborators. This helps us because it allows for a more structured approach to your creative process, ensuring that no idea gets left behind. Let me explain why this matters. With a structured approach, you'll be able to focus more on your creativity and less on trying to remember where you scribbled down that catchy hook or innovative beat. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is essentially acting as your personal assistant, keeping tabs on all your ideas and inspirations and presenting them to you in an organized and structured format. Now, let's talk about sharing and collaboration. If you're working with other musicians or producers, you can easily share your Notion workspace with them. This enables real-time collaboration and feedback, making the music creation process a truly collective experience. In conclusion, using Notion for music production and songwriting is a game changer. It allows you to organize your ideas, streamline your creative process, and collaborate with others in a seamless way. So go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and happy music making.